Hi, everyone. My name is Cohort. I am one of the co-founders at Akiba Digital. Our purpose at Akiba is to unlock financial opportunities for customers, businesses, and society using alternative data. And the problem we realize is that in Africa alone, 80% of the African population, these are small businesses and both individuals, are unable to access financial products. And this is because of the traditional credit scoring system being very archaic. Of the 20% that can be scored, traditional scoring methods only offer a partial view. And we know that this partial view is only based on the history of your credit and not the future or any other view. We also know that financial data is pretty fragmented in Africa. And so we took on this challenge to solve it using a platform we call Google.ai that essentially allows SMEs to access better SMEs and individuals to access better financial products using alternative scores. How we do this is we bulk a whole bunch of alternative data sets, mostly financial data that offer a real-time view of customers' financial health. We use these to create scores. We're also able to predict the affordability and default using these alternative scores and help lenders to monitor loan performance and ultimately optimize using predictive sort of lending repayment structures. All of these are packaged into APIs to even offer a better chance of lenders or better way for lenders to integrate into the existing product. Our value proposition to lenders is very simple. We cost save by reducing their customer acquisition cost through our optimized or automated loan screening process. We also increase their ROI by reducing the default to almost always under 5%. And from an efficiency perspective, we help lenders make quicker lending decisions. The market is huge and ripe in Africa, and there's over 10 million SMEs alone. We are only focusing on SMEs that have some sort of digitized data sets, which could be, mobile money, transaction data, bank data, or even POS data, of which we're targeting to have a market share of at least 10% and a beachhead of about 500,000 of these SMEs in the next 5 years. Globally, we know that this is a $200 billion plus market, and so there's a huge opportunity for us. Why us and why now? In the last year, I think we've proven that we can take on this challenge. We've grown by 11x in 2020. We are post-revenue. We also believe that Africa is a ripe market, and with the right strategic partners, which we have right now, such as IBM, TransUnion, and Approve, and many more like Visa to come, we think we can take on this huge market. We're also leveraging the API economy. With our APIs, we can process more data. And the target is to reach 100 million data sets in the next 2 to 3 years of 10 million end users that we would have processed. And we also believe that our product has strong defensibility. We use nuanced data sets to grow the lending market for lenders, but we also leverage AI and ML capabilities to even predict going forward what their lending could look like. Our business model is very simple. We leverage subscription fees, per user scored fees, as well as per user licensing fees. So this applies both to access to our SaaS platform as well as our APIs. On the financial projections, we are, going after the classic hockey stick growth. As I've already mentioned, 2020 we've grown by 11x. 2021 we're gunning to get at least 1.5 million in revenue, and we're looking to gradually grow exponentially using our 3 offerings, which is the Insight subscription, the annual licensing, and API revenue. We're currently not fundraising. We've just recently closed our pre-seed, but we are looking to raise our seed of at least $2 million in the next 8 months or so. So we'll open our round towards Q4 of this year. And we'd like to invite any investor who's passionate about the space. With this, we're looking to unlock milestones of about 50 million in revenue to grow our team and expand our product offering to a lot more African countries. Our team is very strong. I myself, as the former McKinsey consultant, I have a rich background in data analytics and software engineering. I have amazing co-founders who are serial entrepreneurs. One of our co-founders has had a successful exit, as well as one that has got a rich background in banking and trade finance. And of course, we have an amazing advisory team. And if you'd like to join the advisory team, we also would love to chat to you. And our operational team is just as impressive, with PhD computer science, statistics and data analytics type expertise, as well as chartered accountants to help us on the operational side. So we'd like to keep in touch with you. I'll share my contacts in the chat now for anyone who would like to keep in touch. Thank you.